2026 Bentley Continental GT isn't just a car, it's an emotion sculpted in aluminum and leather, a perfect balance between timeless British craftsmanship and futuristic engineering. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the car demands attention. The exterior design has evolved beautifully, featuring a longer, more muscular stance and sharper lines that hint at both elegance and aggression. The front fascia is dominated by Bentley's signature matrix grille, now wider and more assertive, flanked by advanced laser-cut crystal LED headlights that shimmer like jewelry even when turned off. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels sit perfectly under those broad arches, while the sleek fastback silhouette gives the GT that unmistakable Grand Tourer presence. Walking around the car, the sculpted rear fenders flow into a redesigned rear end, featuring ultra-slim 3D LED taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler that automatically raises at high speeds for added stability. The quad exhausts at the back are not just decorative, they emit a deep, confident growl that reminds you this machine means business. Step inside, and it feels like entering a private luxury suite in motion. The cabin of the 2026 Continental GT takes Bentley's legendary craftsmanship to an entirely new level. Every inch is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, natural wood veneers, and polished aluminum detailing. The dashboard still features Bentley's signature rotating display, a clever blend of analog beauty and digital innovation. You can switch between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, classic dials, or a clean veneer panel depending on your mood. The seats are now even more ergonomic, with massage, cooling, and heating functions, and a 20-way adjustable system that remembers your preferred driving position. Ambient lighting runs seamlessly throughout the cabin, customizable in dozens of color tones to match your vibe. Under the hood lies the true heart of this beast, a new generation 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 hybrid engine that delivers a breathtaking 650 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. The combination of electric and combustion power ensures instant torque delivery and smooth acceleration. 0 to 100 km/h, just 3.5 seconds. Top speed, around 335 km/h, yet it cruises effortlessly and silently in electric mode through the city. The 2026 GT uses an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension with predictive road scanning, which constantly adjusts to maintain that flying carpet ride Bentley is famous for. From the driver's seat, the experience is surreal. The steering feels incredibly precise, the braking confidence inspiring, and every gear shift through the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission feels seamless. Despite being a powerful Grand Tourer, it glides through corners with surprising agility thanks to active anti-roll technology and torquey vectoring. Performance aside, Bentley has poured innovation into every detail. The 2026 GT now includes a fully digital driver display, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane assist, night vision, and adaptive cruise control with predictive navigation that adjusts based on terrain. The new Bentley Voice Assistant, powered by AI, can even learn your habits, whether it's setting the cabin temperature before you mention it or adjusting the seat when it senses your driving mood. The Continental GT's sound system deserves its own praise. Bentley offers the world-renowned Naim 2200-watt audio system with 18 speakers, including dual subwoofers that turn your cabin into a live concert experience. Whether you're listening to classical, jazz, or deep bass tracks, every note is reproduced with incredible clarity. Even the smallest details feel intentional, from the diamond knurled metal knobs to the handcrafted Breitling clock in the center console. The soft, close doors, the subtle fragrance system, and the whisper-quiet cabin insulation all combine to remind you this isn't just transportation. It's a personal sanctuary on wheels. But what truly sets the 2026 Continental GT apart is its identity. It's not chasing trends, it's defining them. It blends tradition with modernity, elegance with speed, luxury with sustainability. The new plug-in hybrid system gives you electric driving range for your daily commutes and a roaring engine for the weekends. It's the car that can be both your silent companion and your bold statement. From every angle, front, back, side, and even the roofline, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT tells a story of excellence that's been refined for over a century. It's not merely a Grand Tourer, it's a moving masterpiece crafted for those who demand not just performance, but presence. When you drive it, you don't just travel, you arrive. And that's the essence of the 2026 Bentley Continental GT, where engineering brilliance meets soul-stirring artistry, ready to define what luxury driving will feel like well into 2035.